हेलो एवरीबडी, वेलकम टू jurycentral.com ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर लॉ एग्जाम्स। तो आज मैं आपके मोस्ट रिक्वेस्ट डिमांड पे डिस्कस करूंगी दिस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी। एलएलएम का पेपर है एंड देयर आर ए टोटल नंबर ऑफ 100 क्वेश्चंस। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि इस साल कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे एंड लेट मी टेल यू द आंसर्स आर सजेस्टिव इन नेचर। If you want to add something extra, you can add so in the comment section below and also let me tell you कि आप करेक्ट आंसर ही दीजिएगा, किसी भी गलत आंसर पे किसी भी तरीके का आर्ग्यूमेंट मत कीजिएगा। So let us see and let us start with the first question. So first let me zoom in. Okay, just a second. So this is the first question and let us read. The Constituent Assembly was established on the proposal of, this is option number B, Cabinet Mission of 1946. Actually, established the proposal of Constituent Assembly. Then question number 2, which one of the following is not an essential characteristics of the constitutionalism? So this is option number A, monarch is the head of state, because monarchy is not an essential characteristics of a country which is governed by constitution. Question number 3, on what ground a proclamation of emergency under Article 352 cannot be issued by the president? This is option number B, internal disturbance, because it is already been removed by 44th Amendment Act. Question number 4, the Supreme Court bench which decided the Golaknath versus State of Punjab case consisted of option number C, 13 judges. 5th, a woman has a right to make reproductive choice was decided in this option number C, Suchita Srivastava versus Chandigarh administration. 6th, in which of the following case the Supreme Court held that right to reply is available under Article 19 clause 1 subclause A of the Constitution? So the correct option is option number C, Life Insurance Corporation versus Manu Bhai D. Shah. Question number 7, the freedom of religion is not subject to, this option number C, friendly relations with foreign states given under Article 25. 8, the Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from the office by, this is option number D, President after impeachment process in the Parliament. 9, which article of the Constitution of India authorizes the Parliament to establish a common high court for 2 or more states and a union territory? This is option number D, Article 231. Then question number 10, under which of the following case the doctrine of prospective overruling was introduced? So this is actual option number D, Golaknath versus State of Punjab. So doctrine of prospective overruling actually means like the precedent which the court has set will only follow for the for the future cases, not it won't be having any retrospective effect. Then we'll deal with question number 11. The power of President of India to issue an ordinance is a option number A, this is legislative power. Question number 12, social, economic and political justice is option number A, an idea enshrined in the Constitution of India. So we have liberty granted for social, economic, we have justice granted for social, economic and political. Then question number 13, the Supreme Court of India formulated the doctrine of eclipse in option number A, Bhikaji Narayan Dakras versus State of MP. 14, right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution of India doesn't include right to die. This observation was made by the Supreme Court in the case of this option number B, Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. Then 5, the High Court can exercise the supervisory jurisdiction over the courts and tribunals subordinate to it under this option number C, Article 227. 16, rights under clause 1 and clause 2 of Article 22 of the Constitution of India not available to, this option number C, both A and B, an alien, enemy and a person detained under preventive detention laws. Question number 17, through which amendment of the Constitution of India the state of Sikkim was included in the Union of India? This option number B, 36th Amendment. 18, who is empowered to remove the Advocate General of the state? This is actually option number D, the governor. The Advocate General of State under Article 165 holds the office during the pleasure of the governor. 19. The appropriate writ issued by the Supreme Court to quash the appointment of a person to public offices is option number A, quo warranto. That means what is your authority. Then we'll deal with question number 20. This which article of the Constitution of India provides for reservation of seats for women in panchayats? This is option number D, Article 243, D21. Mode of revocation of offer are provided in, this is option number B, Section 6 of Contract Act. 22. When the consent of the parties to the contract is caused by mistake, then the contract is void by virtue of Section 20 of Contract Act. 23. Subject to contract between the partners, the property of the firm shall be held and used by the partners. This is actually option number C, exclusively for the purposes of the firm. Question number 24. The dissolution of partnership between all the partners of a firm is called it is known as option number A, dissolution of the firm. 25. The doctrine of holding out has gained a statutory recognition under Section 28 of the Indian Partnership Act. 26. Under the Sale of Goods Act, a contract of sale it must be absolute and unconditional. Question number 27. A contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of any other person is known as contract of indemnity. Then we'll deal with the next question. This is question number 29. The doctrine of ultra-vires was laid down in the case of this option number A, Ashbury Railway Carriage Company versus Ritchie, because this is the first case in which doctrine of ultra-vires has been laid down. Then question number 30. Which of the following are not key managerial personnel within the meaning of Section 251 of the Companies Act? This is option number C, cost accountant. Question number 31. Which of the following provisions of the TRIPS agreement obligates member states to protect plant varieties by patents or by an effective sui generis system or by any combination thereof? This is given under Section 27 clause 3 subclause B. Question number 32. A trademark which distinguishes the goods or services of members of an association of persons not being a partnership which is the proprietary of the mark from others is known as option number B, collective mark. 33. Who among the following is the third Caliph of Islam? This option number A, Hazrat Osman. Question number 34. In which of the following cases the Apex Court held that Hajj subsidy is constitutional valid? This is option number D, Praful Guradia versus Union of India. 35. Pregnancy of a girl at the time of her marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, this is option number D, will be voidable and may be annulled by a decree of nullity, and it is given under Section 12 of Hindu Marriage Act, which deals with voidable marriages. Question number 36. A decree of judicial separation passed by a competent court between the parties to a marriage, this option number D, doesn't affect the marital relationship but suspends the conjugal relationship till the period of decree. Then 37. In which case did the Supreme Court issue guidelines regarding adoption? This is option number D, Lakshmikant Pandey versus Union of India. Now we'll deal with question number 38. In a joint Hindu family governed by Mitakshara law after Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, this option number D, daughter of a co-partner shall be a co-partner by birth. 39. Pronouncement of talaq-e-biddat by a Muslim husband upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or any other manner shall be, this option number A, void. 40. Which one of the following is not an essential for a valid gift or hiba under the Mohammedan law? This option number D, written documentary proof of the gift. So this is not an essential element. There are three essential elements of gift under Muslim law: declaration, acceptance and delivery. 41. Which of the following right is not available to the live-in partner? This option number B, inheritance. 42. Which of the following is an exception to the total exclusion rule? So according to me, it will be mother doesn't exclude brother or sister. So if I talk about the total exclusion rule, this is a rule given under succession laws, and I am not quite sure about the correct option. So you can also add in the comment section below if you know the answer. Question number 43. Corpus in the property under Muslim law is known as, corpus is known as ain, and surplus is known as manafi. Question number 44. Application for sale of property by a guardian Hindu should be made to the city civil court or district court within whose jurisdiction the. So let me clarify you. If I refer to the Guardians and Wards Act, it says it can be, the suit can be instituted where the property is situated and also where the minor resides. So actually there shall be two answers. You can also go with the none of the above option, but here the answers are actually two. Question number 45. What is the time limit for claiming compensation in case of accident? This is option number A, 6 months, and it is given under section 166 of Motor Vehicles Act. 46. A certificate of registration of a trade union shall be cancelled by the, this is option number D, either A, B or C, on the application of the trade union if the certificate has been obtained by fraud and if workman ceases to have the requisite number of members. Then 47. Every employer shall pay overtime to employees for every hour worked in excess of the number of hours constituting a normal working day. Then we'll deal with the next question, 48. Which section of the Factories Act 1948 deals with general duties of manufacturers, etc. as regards articles and substances for use in factories? So this question has been misprinted. The correct option is option number C, and it will be 7B, but by mistake they have mentioned only B. Question number 49. A member of the corporation under Employee State Insurance Act 1948 shall cease to be a member of the body if he fails to attend, option number B, 3 consecutive meetings thereof. 50. Where to file appeal against an order of a commissioner awarding interest or penalty under section 4 of the Employees Compensation Act 1923. This is option number B, High Court. 51. As per Factories Act, factory means any premises including the precincts thereof where dash, that means 10 or more workers are working or we were working on any day of the preceding 12 months and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on without the aid of power or is ordinarily so carried on. 52. Section 49 of the Factories Act 1947 says about option number A, welfare officer. 53. Section 2K of the Factories Act 1947 says about this option number A, manufacturing process. 54. Which of these deductions under section 7 of the Payment of Wages Act is not authorized? This is option number D, deduction for payment of uniform and property. Then question number 55. In the Maternity Benefit Act 1961, an inspector is appointed under which section? This is option number A, section 14. 56. In what age of the child will a mother get 2 nursing breaks in the course of her daily work? So under Maternity Benefit Act, the mother will get 2 nursing breaks until the child attains 15 months, option number D. 57. Which of the sections of the Indian Penal Code 1860 dwell upon the right of privacy of victim of certain offences under the Indian Penal Code? This is option number A, section 228A. Then question number 58. The district magistrate has ordered complete lockdown for Saturdays and Sundays during Corona period. A opens his garment shop on Saturday. A commits an offence under section 188. That means if a person fails to abide by the duty promulgated by the public servant, then only section 188 is attracted. Question number 59. In English law, rule of contributory negligence was demonstrated for the first time in 1809 in the case of option number A, Davis versus Mann. So this is the first time in which the rule of contributory negligence has been applied. Question number 60. The fundamental principle of criminal liability is embodied in the maxim actus non facit rea nisi mensit rea. The maxim was developed by this option number B, common law courts. 61. For conspiracy, the minimum number of persons required is this option number C, 2. 62. Which of the following is not designated as hurt. This is option number C, permanent disfiguration of chest, because section 320 of IPC only speaks about permanent disfiguration of head or face. Then question number 63, for a defense of intoxication to escape criminal liability, the intoxication, option number B, administered against his will or knowledge. Then 64, A gave B a pen drive which he knows has files that were infected with the virus. A did not inform B of the same. B inserted the pen drive into his computer and opened the files. His computer was infected by the virus and most of the files on it were lost. Which of the following offences can A be held guilty of? So he can be held guilty of option number C, mischief. 65. The word injury denotes any harm whatever dash that is illegally caused to any person in body, mind, reputation or property. Question number, this is 66. A puts jewels into a box belonging to B with the intention that they may be found in that box, and these circumstances may cause B to be convicted of theft. A has committed the offence under which section of IPC given below? This option number C, section 192, which deals with fabricating false evidence. Then we'll deal with question numbers. One second. This is 66. Then we'll deal with question number 67. The principle of quod necessitas non habet legem is applied in the circumstances of this option number D. This self-preservation, quod necessitas non habet legem. This is actually a maxim which is associated with the principle of necessity, which means necessity actually needs no law. And self-preservation is also based on the rule of necessity. So this is why option number D will be the correct option. 68. The expression disaffection in section 124 of the Indian Penal Code includes option number C, both A and B, disloyalty and all feelings of enmity. 69. The origin of international law can be founded in this option number D, Middle Ages. Why I am saying Middle Ages? Because pre-Christian era treaties actually dates back to 5th to 8th BC, and international law is actually evolved during the period of 16th century. So this is the reason why I am choosing option number D, Middle Ages. Question number 70. Which among the following is not a step of entering into a treaty? This is option number C, propagation. Question number 71. The non-coercive mean of settlement of a dispute between states is, this is actually option number D, none of the above, because such kind of settlement of dispute is known as negotiation. 72. In international law, which amongst the following is not a modern era challenge? This is option number D, social changes in developing countries. 73. International custom, which is a source of international law, doesn't concede. This is option number C, transparency as main ingredient. 74. The principle of non-recognition of a government which comes into power by force is known as option number A, Tobar Doctrine. 75. The Castiano case is related to option number B, extradition. 76. Which one of the following is not a kind of treaty? This is option number C, plurilateral. Then I'll deal with the next question. The next question is question number 77. The total number of non-permanent members in Security Council is option number C, 10. 78. Which one of the following is not related to relation between international and state? This is option number C, transformation. 79. The territorial asylum doesn't cover. Option number B, contractual asylum. Question number 80. Which one of the following is not an organ of UNO? Option number C, International Court of Arbitration. 81. Who has described jurisprudence as a lawyer's extraversion? It is lawyer's examination of the precepts, ideals and techniques of the law in the light derived from present knowledge in discipline other than the law. This is option number C, Julius Stone. 82. Which school regards the judgment law as an unauthorized encroachment upon the powers of the legislators to make law? This is option number B, sociological school. 83. Some shared morality is essential to the existence of society. Is the assertion of option number C, Hart. Then question number 84. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court has given preference to constitutional morality over social morality? This is option number D, Navtej Singh Zohar versus Union of India. Question number 85. Who propounded that animus domini is an essential element of possession? This is option number C, Salmon. 86. Ownership is a plenary control over an object. This definition is given by option number B. This is Holland. Then the next question, 87. Who among the following defined custom as the uniformity of habits or conduct of people under like circumstances? This is option number A. Dr. Allen. Question number 88. In which of the following case it was held that custom is just non-scriptum, that means not written, and it is evolved by people in respect of a place where it is followed? So it has been evolved in the case of option number D, Tanistry case. 18. An obiter dicta of Supreme Court is binding on. This is option number D. The courts may seek help from them, but they are not bound to follow them. 90. Which of the following theory is based on the maxim of eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth? This is option number B, retributory theory. 91. Who characterized Summers' definition of ownership as unnecessary confusion? This is option number C. So this, Cook has characterized Summers' definition of ownership as unnecessary confusion. 92. Which of the following statement is or are true with respect to possession and ownership? I'll go with option number C because this is the correct option. Certain intangible rights may be possessed as well as owned, like copyright, goodwill, trademark, etc. This is true because these can also be owned, possessed, and also exist. 93. Which of the following statement is not true? This is option number C. Hofield characterized Summers' definition of ownership as unnecessary confusion, because we have just seen like Cook has characterized, not Hofield. So this question has been repeated twice. 94. Which of the following are elements of legal right? This is option number B, subject, object, and title. Then we'll see question number 95. Case law is gold in the mine, a few grains of precious metal to the tons of useless matter, while the statute law is coin of the state which is ready for immediate use. Who gave this statement? This is option number B, Salmon. 96. Who introduced the concept of pure theory of law? This is option number D, Hans Kelsen. 97. Prudentia means option number C, skill or knowledge. 98. Who defined jurisprudence as the formal science of positive law? This is option number A, Holland. Question number 9. Which of the following jurists is not related to the historical school of jurisprudence? This is option number D, Eldridge. 100. The bracket theory in jurisprudence is related to which of the following? This is option number C, legal personality. Bracket theory also known as symbolist theory, and it is one of the theory of corporate personality. So इसी के साथ हम आज का आपका सेशन खत्म करते हैं. I have did all the 100 questions. और जो आंसर है ये टोटल मेरे पर्सनल रिसर्च पे बेस्ड है, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर करेक्ट. And if you have any doubts, suggestions or feedback, you can do the same in the comment section below. So this is me signing off, and have a great day.